Hello friends, today I will be sharing with you how I cleanse and always smell fresh from the inside. Having your system clean from the inside is the secret to always smelling so fresh and healthy. I will be sharing with you two recipes I drink once every month, and this is the first. So this recipe I drink most especially during my period, so as everything, like, it cleanses me with all the bad stuff and I smell so fresh throughout the month. So the first thing you need is pineapple. Yeah, because of the bromelain, the benefits in pineapple to balance your pH levels. And what you need to do is to get your pineapple peel and have this to boil so you can get a very powerful detox cleanse out of it. So once you peel your pineapple, you wash thoroughly, peel, add in 4 cups of water and have it to boil. Yeah, so while you have your pineapple on the stove, you want to go ahead and slice your pineapple. So I'm using half a pineapple. Pineapples are very good because they contain this enzyme bromelain, which is very good at fighting bad bacteria from the system. Plus, pineapple contains the good bacteria you need to fortify your system and prevent bad bacteria from getting into your system and causing yeast infections and the rest. So pineapple is very good, most especially for feminine health. So that is half a pineapple sliced and set aside. The second very powerful ingredient I use is celery. Like, this is so detoxifying. It leaves your internal system just so clean. Your organs, you smell so good from the inside because this flushes toxins out of you, purging that ugly smell, and leaves your systems, like, people who consume celery juice, they can testify this leaves your skin so healthy and looking so beautiful from the inside. So these are 4 stalks of celery you slice and set aside. I always add ginger in my cleanses because this has anti-inflammatory properties and it cleanses your pores. Like, this is the secret to cleansing your pores. You know how the ugly smells budge from the inside out? This does a powerful job, ginger, and you don't need a lot, just a thumb size of it. Plus, this helps you boost your metabolism to break down food stored up, toxins stored up in your system, causing that ugly smell so you can smell so good. Yeah, and cucumbers as well. If you want your cleanse to work even better, always add cucumbers because they support your system to detox itself, most especially your liver. Cucumbers optimize your liver, and your liver is what does the job. So you need half a cucumber in here. So this is half a cucumber sliced. Now you want to check your pineapple. It is all boiled and okay for 15 minutes. Have this boiled for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes you can take out the pineapple tea. As you can see, the color, this is exactly how you want to see it, and allow it to cool down because you'll be using it to blend these ingredients with. So put all those ingredients in the blender and add in the pineapple tea. So that is it, 4 cups of your pineapple tea. Blend till everything is all nice and smooth to one consistency that you can get the juice all out of it. And yeah, so this is it. Get your sieve and sieve out the juice, and you don't want to throw the pulp, the raw fish, don't throw it. You can add in 1 banana and have it as your breakfast smoothie. That is dietary fiber, and it will cleanse your system for you and fill you up without leaving calories in your system as well. So that is a healthy breakfast you don't want to throw. This raw fish, don't throw it. Yeah, so this is the first drink, and I recommend this once every month, most especially if you're a woman during your period. That is when you want to drink, so it cleanses you with all the bad stuff, like everything out, and you smell so good. And now this is the second juice cleanse I drink as well, once every month. The first thing I use for this cleanse is cucumber. Cucumbers, as I always say, they support your liver to cleanse your system out for you because your liver is actually what does the job, and you want to optimize your liver, and cucumbers are what will help you with that. This optimizes your liver and have you cleanse your system so good. So this is 1 cucumber you slice and set aside. Apples as well optimize your liver to give your system that thorough cleanse. So this will generally give your system a healthy boost. It will cleanse your system overall, and you tend to be so healthy and so vibrant from the inside. Yeah, so this is it. One apple sliced, plus apples refresh your pores as well, and you smell so fresh. Yeah, I add in celery as well. Celery, 4 stalks of celery. Celery is very good when it comes to cleansing your internal system. This is so good and very detoxifying. So these are 4 stalks of celery. You want to wash thoroughly as well, slice and set that aside. Ginger too. So as you can see, the ingredients are almost the same. These are very cleansing ingredients. Yeah, so whichever works for you, either of the recipes, you can choose whichever works for you, and trust me, you will always smell so good. So very quickly, this is ginger. This is a thumb size of ginger. You want to slice this up. This helps to cleanse your pores and you smell so fresh from the inside. Yeah, this is the secret. Yeah, so now this is it, your ginger, and yes, a thumb size of ginger, and you're good. Now some more pineapple. If you notice, I add in a lot of pineapples in my recipes because of the bromelain, the benefits pineapple has to balance your pH levels, most especially your female health. So yeah, you can boil this and use the tea, but you can still use fresh water because this recipe is already so powerful. And yeah, so this is it. Slice up your pineapple and you're good. So this is half a pineapple. Now the next thing you want to do is to get your blender and have these ingredients blended. Yeah, so blend till everything is all nice and smooth. Add in 4 cups of water as well in here, so you can use the pineapple tea from the peel of just fresh clean water for this recipe, and you're good. So blend till everything is all nice and smooth, and use your sieve to sieve the juice out of it, or a cheesecloth. Yeah, and you don't want to throw the raw fish, as I always mention. Don't throw that raw fish, please. I always add in some banana and have it as my breakfast smoothie, so you don't want to throw it. And trust me, this is how you cleanse your system and always smell so fresh. The job needs to be done from the inside out, so you do it from the inside, and always make sure you take your shower at least twice a day. Make sure you have a good shower and you will always smell so good. Trust me. So this is the raw fish. I add in 1 banana and I'm good. This is my breakfast for the next morning. And yeah, so this is it. Once every month, most especially if you're a lady during your period, share with your partner as well. It is good to cleanse together. As you're doing this recipe, make sure you share with your boyfriend, your husband, so you can both be clean and, you know, very yummy, and you always stay looking so fresh. Plus you end up with very beautiful healthy skin. Share the recipe with your family and friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.